Imagine plunging 7 miles beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight vanishes and pressure could crush any vessel. This is the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest, darkest abyss. For decades, scientists have captured strange, unexplained sounds echoing from its depths. Among the most chilling is the bloop, an ultra-low-frequency noise so powerful and mysterious that no known animal or geological event can explain it. Then there's the Western Pacific biotwang, a metallic, almost alien sound reverberating through the water, detected by underwater microphones scattered across vast distances. Some believe these eerie noises are the calls of giant, undiscovered creatures lurking in the crushing darkness. Others whisper about ancient monsters or lost civilizations hidden beneath the waves. These haunting sounds stir both fear and fascination. What could possibly survive in such an unforgiving environment? Each ping, moan, and unearthly wail reminds us how little we truly understand about the ocean's depths. With every new recording, the mystery only grows deeper and darker. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.